to day 4 of the Reels Blitz. Now, I want to talk to you today about being authentic. So, Reels, we want to show up the best way we can. So, I want to talk to you about, firstly, some technology you can use and make sure that you show up in the right light, and then also talk about filters to help your Reels pop. So firstly, filters. People love them, people hate them. I love taking the view with my clients is, yes, less is more, but honestly, these days, filters count. And it is really important to help you control the lighting in your Reels and keep that consistent vibe of your Reels when you use a filter. So firstly, help yourself out by getting yourself a ring light so that your lighting is improved. So you really probably don't need to reach for a filter as often. The ring lights are amazing. I do use them. You can see there's quite a difference when I have it on or off in the effect. The next is filters. So how I'd like to approach this is when you create your reel, I normally will go through the home screen and find filters off someone else's reel that I like and then save them and know what the name is. So Glowing Goddess is a reel filter that I really love and I use it all the time. So Glowing Goddess, really, when I put that on and I look, doesn't really alter the shape of my face as much. There are other ones that really give you a bit of Botox and all sorts of weird looking things. So I generally avoid anything like that. I do California Fun is quite cool sometimes, or just one that boosts the colors. I focus more on colors than anything. So there is one here that I like to use. Let's see. Yeah, jet setting. So today it's all about showing up in the best light, and that might be checking where the light is coming in, often the time of day. I generally like to do my reels early in the day because the lighting is coming in at the best place for me. And in the afternoon, definitely ring light is in order. And then make sure that you have really clear background, beautiful setting, and the angle's important. So make sure you're going downwards, that you are in the frame. If you are choosing to use words, make sure you do have some space above your head. Be mindful that anything lower is often covered, thank you Instagram, by filters and sound and comments and things. So I would recommend not putting too much wording or pointing down low, but really focusing above your head or to the side. And make sure if you do have the idea of doing a reel that you have a nice clean background, so it's really easy for people to read what you are sharing for today. So go off, choose your filter, find one that you love, and then just use the same one for the rest of the challenge. And we look forward to seeing all your beautiful reels posted, and make sure you share and tag.